Hey everybody, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. So it is time to head into Walgreens. It's been a little bit since I've done a in-store deal for you. It's been a couple weeks, but I do have a couple of deals I want to get done. I'm also going to show you a booster scenario that I'm not actually going to do myself, but I'm going to show you in case you want to do it. And one other thing is that apparently the coupons have not been coming off, and the register rewards have not been printing lately, and so that's kind of been an issue on Sunday. We're going to see if it's still an issue today on Monday morning. So let's go in and check it out and see if we can get some good deals. All right, guys, here's a deal for you. We have the Dove 6 bars of soap. They're regularly priced at $12.49. They're on sale for $10. Grab 2 of them. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Pay $16 out of pocket. Get a $3 register reward. Makes the final cost $13 total, or $6.50 each. Not the best deal here, but when you put it in with a spin booster, it's a pretty decent deal. Alright, so I thought these were going to be $6 each, but they're a little bit more expensive than I figured. The Tresemme shampoo and conditioners, you could also grab some of the, like the mousse or the, so that's $7 here, or maybe the hairspray here that's $7. Anyway, they're regularly priced $8.49 and they're on sale for $7 each. Grab 2 of them at $14 total. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, so you're going to pay $9 out of pocket, and then you get a $5 register reward. That's going to make it $4 total, or $2 each. Not a terrible deal here, but a little bit more than I was planning on spending. I don't know if there are any $6 items. They are showing online, but not in here. Alright, so the next deal we have is on the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. They're regularly priced at $6.29, but they're 2 for $10 this week. They're actually on sale for $5.49 each, but they're going to be 2 for $10 when you buy 2 of them. We are going to grab 2 of them at $10, and then we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Pay $7 out of pocket, get a $4 register reward, making it $3 total, or $1.50 each. Now, I talked about this in my Kroger video this morning. This is a better deal than grabbing the deal from Kroger, so hopefully you're able to score this one as opposed to that Kroger deal. All right, guys, here you go. We have a Purex deal that's pretty good. These Purex bottles, this one here is the free and clear, but there are some other ones, obviously, they're out of. They're regularly priced at $8.99. They're on sale for $1.99. Now, there was $1 back from Ibotta that got pulled yesterday. It didn't last very long on Sunday. So if you happen to grab that, you might have gotten these for 99 cents on Sunday. But for the most part, $1.99 coming from $8.99 is an amazing deal. Hopefully, you're able to score them, and hopefully they're back in stock here soon. All right, since all these deals are absolutely amazing, I want to show you a scenario using a booster. Now, check your digital account and see what you happen to have. Now, in my digital account, I have a $9 back on Walgreens cash when I spend $40 or more. Now, remember, that is before coupons. So I'm grabbing 2 of these Dove bar soaps that are on sale for $10. That's $20 total. 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioners, which are on sale for $5 each, or $10 total. And then 2 of the Tresemme, either the shampoo and conditioner, or you could do like I did and grab some mousse or some, hairspray. They're on sale for $7 each.
$14 total. That's going to take your total all the way up to $44 even. Well, that obviously will trigger that $40 spend booster, so we'll get $9 back in Walgreens cash. We're also going to use the 4 off 2 Dove digital coupon, the 3 off 2 L'Oreal digital coupon, and the 5 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon. So out of pocket is kind of high. It's $32. If you have any kind of register rewards to put towards that, you can, but do not use Walgreens cash to pay since we're going to be getting Walgreens cash. Then we're going to receive that $9 in Walgreens cash. We have a $3 register reward for the Dove, a $4 register reward for the L'Oreal, and a $5 register reward for the Tresemme. That's going to leave the final cost at $11 total, or $1.83 each. Not a bad deal considering the Dove is so expensive, but like I said, I did not want to spend that much out of pocket, and I wasn't really interested in the bar soap, so let me show you my deal scenario next. All right, so here is the deal that I actually did. I did not use my spend booster, but I did have a spend booster that I forgot about, and I'll talk about that in just a second. So I grabbed 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioners that are on sale for $5 each, or $10 total, and then 2 of the Tresemme products. I grabbed a mousse and a hairspray. They're on sale for $7 each, or $14 total. So my total came to $24. Well, I actually had a $5 Walgreens cash on any purchase. It didn't matter what I bought. There was no exclusion. There was no amount. I forgot about that. I had loaded in my account last night. And then I also used a 3 off 2 L'Oreal digital coupon. I used a 5 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon. And that left my out of pocket at $16. But it got even better. I did have a $10 register reward from last week that I threw into the mix. So I only paid $6 out of pocket. But then I received that $5 in Walgreens cash, $4 in register rewards for the L'Oreal, and $5 register reward for the Tresemme. Now, before using that register reward for $10, it's going to end up being $2 total, or 50 cents each. But since I used that $10, it's actually like free and an $8 moneymaker, depending on how you want to look at it. Now, I did spend the money last week in order to get that $10. So again, it depends on how you want to look at it. Either way, absolutely amazing deal, and I'm super excited.
Hey everybody, I got my deal and everything worked. Let me show you. All right, so let's check out the receipt here. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I was able to get the curling mousse. We've been doing a lot with my daughter's hair and curling it, and so I'm excited about having the mousse to throw it in there. And then we got the hairspray, which I'm also in need of, for $7 each, so $14 total. The L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner was $5 each, 2 for $10, so got that for $10. So I had a $10 register reward from last time that I used, as well as a 5 off 2 for the Tresemme and a 3 off 2 for the L'Oreal. So my coupons came off no problem. It was a subtotal of $6 plus $1.44 with tax. So I paid $7.44 out of pocket, but this is where it gets very sweet. I got back a bunch of stuff. So it's so interesting. I had this 5 back on any purchase of like booster. I just had to make a purchase. It didn't have any like qualifying number or anything like that. I kind of forgot about it. And so I ended up getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, $5.24 to be exact. I was not expecting to get that back. So I'm adding that into the mix here. And of course, when I do my voiceover, you probably already heard that I'm going to use it, but I didn't realize I was going to use it. So that's pretty exciting there. Plus, I did get my $5 back for the Unilever or the Tresemme. So that's $5 back for buying 2 of those. And $4 back for buying the L'Oreal. Now, I did not do the Dove deal or the Purex deal because I didn't want either one of those products. And well, the Purex was kind of out of the product that I wanted to get. But anyway, everything came back. All the coupons came off. So needless to say, if you need to go to Walgreens, it's a go. You're able to get your coupons to come off, and you're able to get your register rewards to print. Everything worked perfectly. I had a horrible week last week. I did not even film it or tell you about it, but I had a horrible week last week. I had to have a little run-in with a cashier. Well, actually the manager. The cashier was great. The manager was super mean and did not know how her own system worked, and I will have to give you a story about that. I did end up getting everything back because I had to call customer service, and I did ask them to not get her in trouble, but to teach her the difference between register rewards and Walgreens cash, and how 5 and 7 do not equal the same thing. And I'll have to tell you the whole story about that. But I was I was made sure, please do not get her in trouble, but she does need to understand the difference between the two because she was not very nice to me, and I did know what was going on. And I tried to keep a cool head. I did, but I definitely did tell her that she needed to learn her system. Anyway, that being said, I'm gonna head home now. I'm gonna do all the numbers for you so you know the final numbers for everything that I purchased, plus that booster deal in case you're interested in it, grabbing it yourself. I didn't want to grab it. I wasn't really interested in all those bars of soap. We don't use them, and so they just sit in my storage, or I give them away, which wouldn't have been bad, but they weren't free, so I didn't want to get them. Anyway, I got what I wanted, so hopefully you're able to score. Let me know in the comments what deals you happen to get, and if you put any other scenario together. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll be back with you with more deals later. Bye, guys.